Yo, what up, Lambros? Hey, look, I got my new Lamborghini hat. Got this from Lambo. Bam, looks good, huh? Yo, so today there's a car deal that we're going to, but I met everyone, and then I had to leave because I gotta take care of my tat people. So I got this new Lamborghini tat, and it's all dry, so I gotta run home, get that, grab a watch. I gave Eddie my Lambros, or my necklace to wear, so I'm gonna put on my other necklace, and then we're gonna go meet everybody. So it should be a good group. Jacob was there with his underground twin turbo Huracan, 2,500 horsepower. Eddie was there with his Huracan. The Sheepy Huracan by Clay was there. We had a Mercedes GT, so a bunch of cool cars. Now I'm gonna run inside, grab a couple things, and try to race and meet them because they were all leaving, and I had to run back to my house. I was gonna film the cars, but we're gonna have to like see you pass us. See if I can hear it. Got to roll down the window. All right. Oh, there you are. We made it to the car show. The hoods are here. Eddie's here. Eddie's my dad. All right, let's see what we have. Jacob left because he's a weak ass, but let's see what we got. We got the Sheepy Huracan, got Eddie's Huracan, we got a 911 Carrera. This is a GT3 Cup car. It's freaking fast. Giant truck, Mercedes. What do we have up here? They got snacks in here, and a helicopter. There's Alex Vaughn. Hey! And here's a chopper. Been in that one before. A lot of Porsches. Here is a this is kind of a cool car. It's the S65 coupe from or the SL65 coupe. This is for sale for a lot. Look, Lamborghini. I love it. And then we got another Porsche, an M5, another Porsche. We got a lot of humans over here. There's Alex. What up, dog?
Man, what it do?
Is this Sam Walker?
Welcome. You know, yeah.
I saw it. Is that his truck on the other side? Okay. I was like, that's Sam Walker's truck.
At 8 a.m.
Yeah.
Got it loaded up.
Nice.
Let's put our sticker on there.
That's awesome. Yeah, I think we've been in that one.
Oh,
so
yeah.
I was like, I saw that truck and I was like, that's Sam's truck.
That thing's a good time.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Cookies. They're jamming out here. So let's go see the Doughboy car. Oh, look at Doughboy. Nice. See the Doughboy. So, because I had to go home, lotion up my tat, get my watch, get my charger, get my camera, because I literally ran out and forgot everything. I've had no energy drink today. I'm just like, it's a weird Saturday, people. So because of that, I missed the whole drive over here, and apparently it was fun, but they were all rolling. But what do you think about that wrap? This is actually embossed, so it's raised. Look, I'm not trying to talk smack, okay? I'm not trying to talk smack, but I just want to show you the slower turbo. Okay, just because it doesn't have as much horsepower, it's a different build. But this is the Sheepy purple twin turbo. This is the Sheepy race. Boost stable. I I mean, it's definitely not slow, but it's just not as fast as the 2,500 horsepower underground car. So that's all. Just not as fast. Okay, people, this is actually a pretty cool GT3. This is Joe's. Used to be Joe's. Now it's Maloney's, but it is a really nice Porsche GT3 and really fast. And then I thought it'd be cool to get a little, we've been in this chopper before, so let's get a couple shots of this thing. There's my camera like mine. Here's Edward.
You want me to take you for a ride?
Edward, John. We need to roll it over to the center so we can get the prop going. Get to the chopper! You're supposed to say that. I know it's real cliche, but you're supposed to. That's why I did it. That's a dog turd.
Ready? We're gonna start with the Porsche again. Okay.
I missed the Porsche because I was wiping down the Mercedes, so this thing is so loud. Let me look at the inside. Oh my gosh. There's no carpet.
Well, no, it's a race car, Steve.
To see actual reactions. That is not street legal, or wasn't, and then he made it. Loud. Hey, is that stock exhaust?
Yep, that's stock.
Nice. Sounds stock. I'm with Eddie. That is the Diamonds by Wire Lambo necklace that he's wearing, and we're in Alex Vaughn's dad's shop.
This is the porn room.
And this is the casting couch. All right, Eddie, get over here. Now, what I want you to do, hey guys, we're doing a casting couch. You guys can keep it down. Hey Eddie, can you get back over there now? That's good. Let me get. All right.
So where are you from?
So where are you from? It turns out, hey,
how far will you go?
Turns out we're not very good porn producers because we're like, what do we say to her? Like, what can we do?
I was just trying to go to the restroom.
Oh, he's just going potty. All right, look, this is Alex Vaughn's dad's office. Stained concrete floor. And then we're about done here, I think. The party's almost over. I just had a sausage roll, and that's the party. Okay, people, that's the end of the party. We're at Auto Enthusiast, and Alex, my buddy Alex, the whole thing, It's My Dad's, comes from pretty much him and one other dude. So that's it. We're in the party. Freddie's about to fire that up, and I'm gonna go out behind him. So later. Killed it. Killed it. Killed it. How many times will he kill it? That's not good. All right, that's the party, boys. People, we have found the twin turbo Huracan by Underground Racing. It is here. There it is. And look what's happening. Boom! What up, guys? Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Currington, and people are always asking me, what do you do for a living? How do you pay for all these nice cars? Well, this is what I do. Cash. I give people access to money. I'm a lender. I do home loans. You want to buy a house? Call me. Go to stevecurrington.com. And I lend in all 50 states if you need access to some cash.